So just wanted to check up on the drain on this 95 SL500. Now the battery had been charged over 24 hours and just connected my multimeter, and I'm looking at the drain at 35 milliamps, so which is actually okay. To be honest with you, I never seen the number 35, 33, 25, 43, whatever. 33, that's the first for me, but whatever, it is what it is. It's still okay. So the battery is made in 2019, as you can see on the sticker. So I doubt this is just like really bad battery, but we'll see. If I still won't be able to start this vehicle in a couple of days, then I will have a problem with the battery. Okay, so a few hours later I went to check up on the codes on this car, and now I'm going to check the voltage because the battery is absolutely dead. So we have multimeter. Let's take a look what happened, because my old battery was holding some sort of a charge, and this battery is 10.7. Yeah, so this battery is actually bad, because at this point it cannot start. It cannot even do diagnostic because voltage is dropped. So you know, that was too soon to actually install this battery. So this battery is bad, although it's actually not that old, but something happened with it, and battery to be replaced. Right now I'm going to put my old battery, the old 2013 battery, but at least I will be able to get some readout out of this car, because this battery is totally flat. There's nothing I can do with it. So that's it, battery's bad. Okay, so right now I put in my old battery, very old battery. This is the one that came from the vehicle with 2019 sticker. So let's just first take a look at the voltage I have on my battery. Like I said, this is not something that I would sell or I would use for my own personal use, because it is weak. As you can see, 12.18. That's not good, but for all purposes here, it's gonna be enough. I will be able to at least do some diagnostic on it, but later on, maybe tomorrow or the day after, or maybe in a couple of days or a few days, I'll revisit this area. Okay, so I finally got my computer connected, and now we're going to look at the codes, and supposedly codes were not erased. The only code I see here is the potentiometer issue. Now this is a problem because it appears that the problem is inside the throttle body. In any event, I wanted to take the throttle body out and inspect internals anyhow, so now at least I have some sort of a clue where to look into. Not necessarily that this code will tell me that the throttle body is at fault, but the computer can also be a problem. Not the diagnostic, but the control module inside the box. But first things first, obviously throttle body to be taken apart, and I have to go deep into the potentiometer and see what, maybe there's something wrong going on inside potentiometer itself. Okay, before it's brutally hot, it's Monday, 90-degree weather. I have a heat wave in New York. The throttle body is removed from this SL500. Couple of points. Like I said previously, mass airflow, this is a replacement unit, that's good. Engine harness replaced, that's also good. Now the actual gasket seemed to be sealed with silicone. It was glued rather, and it's kind of doesn't look really good, to be honest with you. It's all beaten up and kind of not a nice sight. I might have to actually replace it because this is not cool. And there was also a resemblance of silicone here, and also looking at the throttle body itself, you see all this accumulation. That means that throttle body has been in the vehicle for quite a little bit of time. I also see that one of the bolts was cross-threaded, also not nice. They were all kind of missing its threads because the gasket is not centered. I don't know, it's just not cool at all, but it will work obviously. So next thing is to take it inside, clean it up a little bit and open it up and take a look what's going on inside the throttle body.